The story goes that you get the hiccups when someone is thinking of you. In a world where communication with anyone is a tap away, we are constantly thinking of others, and we are constantly being thought about. So we forget that when someone sends us that random cat photo or TikTok that wouldn't make sense to anyone else out of the blue, that's just their way of saying, "Hey, I'm thinking about you." Precious words we've reduced down to a light buzz in your back jean pocket. What if we could send hiccups instead?